Okay, I'm going to attempt to do some Q&A by myself at 200. We'll see how this works out. Ready? Question. Had you seen a counselor, a psychiatrist, or a psychologist of any kind since before June 1st of 2008? Answer. I do remember a few visits, but I can't remember any clearly which ones exactly. You know, when they were or for what. Question. Do you remember where they were? Answer. No. Question. Was it in part of any other treatment, like a rehab facility or inpatient, outpatient? What do you recall? Answer. Possibly an inpatient treatment. Question. Okay. Do you think it was an inpatient mental health treatment or a chemical dependency treatment? I'm just giving you suggestions. It's not a yes or no question, so if I'm completely wrong, answer. Possibly chemically dependent. Question. Do you know where you've had chemical dependency treatment at? Answer. Yes. Question. Where was that? Answer. Greenbrier. Question. And do they do inpatient? Answer. Yes. And workhouse. Question. So you have done inpatient there. So you might have had some mental health therapy at either of those. Answer. Yes. Question. Are you maintaining that any pre-existing mental health issues are now worse because of the June 1st incident? Answer. Yes. Question. What are those conditions? Answer. Well, basically, I'm having problems with coping, loss of my physical ability, depression, paranoia, just not good well-being. Question. We'll get back to those. I was just trying to get an idea of your prior problems. In the medical records, it indicates that you had injured your left knee 2 months before the shooting, and all it said was you fell on it. Do you recall when that was? Answer. Could you please restate the question? Question. Sure. In the medical records that your attorney has provided to us about the shooting, so they'd be records from June 1st and a couple of days after, it indicated that you told the doctors that you had injured your same knee 2 months beforehand. Do you recall how you injured your knee 2 months before the shooting? Answer. No. Question. If you had sought medical help for any reason, whether it was you injured, answer. You know. Question. Go ahead. Answer. Excuse me. Question. Go ahead. Answer. I think I vaguely remember a fall, and I think I might have sought some treatment. Question. Where do you think you sought treatment? Answer. Possibly Huron Road. Not for sure. Question. Do you recall how you fell? Answer. No. Question. And when you say Huron Road, are you referring generally to Huron Road Hospital? Answer. Yes. Question. Thank you. Would it have been emergency room, or do you go to a doctor there? Answer. Emergency room. Question. Do you recall if you had any therapy? Answer. No. Question. So probably a one-shot visit? Answer. Basically yes. Question. If you had a problem based on where you were living and, you know, where you generally were, if you were seeking medical treatment, would it have been at Huron Road Hospital at that time? Answer. Yes. Question. Or the clinics that you would have found convenient, or answer. No. Question. Before June 1st of 2008, did you have any issue with the gas station? Answer. Before. Question. The date of the shooting, which I have as being June 1st of 2009. Answer. I don't recall. Question. I'm sorry. You don't recall the date, or you don't recall if you had issues? Answer. I don't recall if I had any issues. Question. Did you have any complaints about any of the security guards before the shooting? Answer. Such as what? Answer. I don't know anything. Question. You mean complaints against the gas station? Question. Well, that was my first question. Before the shooting, did you have any complaints against the gas station before the shooting? Answer. No, I don't remember. Question. Before the shooting, did you have any complaints against any of the security guards at the gas station? Answer. No. Question. Had you ever been asked to leave by the gas station or any employees of the gas station? Answer. I don't recall. No. Question. Had the gas station employees ever called the police on you to have you leave? Answer. Possibly. Question. Had you ever been arrested at the gas station? Answer. Yes. Question. What was that? How did that come about? Answer. Sale to an undercover. Question. How many times were you arrested at the gas station? Answer. I don't recall exactly. Question. More than once? Answer. Possibly yes. Question. Generally for the same thing, or were there other reasons? Answer. Could have been other reasons. Question. Do you recall? Answer. No, I don't. Question. In fact, the sale to an undercover, that ultimately resulted in a conviction, correct? Answer. What's that again? Question. You referred to being arrested for the sale to an undercover. Answer. Yes. Question. That's actually one of the arrests that resulted in one of the convictions you were referring to earlier, right? Answer. Yes. Question. On the date of the shooting, had you had anything to drink? Alcohol? Excuse me. Had you had any alcohol to drink? Answer. Yes. Question. How much had you had? Answer. A couple of beers. Question. Any legal or illegal drugs at the time before the shooting? Answer. No, I don't believe so. Question. Do you recall what time of the day the shooting occurred? Answer. Approximately midnight. Question. At the time of the shooting, so June, again, I have June 1st, 2009 written down. What was your average alcohol consumption at that time? Answer. Meaning what? Daily? Question. Daily, weekly, twice a day, 5 beers a day, 1 beer a week? Answer. Just a couple of beers every now and then. Question. What's that mean? Couple of beers a week? Couple of beers a month? Answer. Maybe a couple of beers a week. Question. What was your average marijuana use at that time? Answer. Maybe once every 2 weeks, a joint maybe. Question. So 1 joint every 2 weeks. Answer. Yes. Question. PCP use at that time? Answer. Yes. Not on the day of the shooting. Question, how often did you use PCP in June of 2009? That time frame. Answer, maybe like once every 6 months. Question, how about opiates? Did you use those in the summer of '09? Answer, no, only opiates that I had possibly could have been used was maybe for a prescription. Question, what were you getting the prescription for? Answer, this was after the shooting. Question, thank you for answering. Before, so let's cross that out. So before the shooting, were you using any opiates that summer? Answer, I don't believe so. I don't believe so. Question, before the shooting, were you having any mental health issues that summer? Answer, I don't recall. Question, ever experience auditory hallucinations? Answer, no. Question, voices telling you to hurt anyone? Answer, I think possibly. I had a situation where I had some, issues to deal with, but nothing major.